This is a Movcan V30. And I just added something new onto this bike. So I added a upgraded battery onto here. I want to get more range on this. I want to go places with this bike. I also want to see if this thing can wheelie good like this. It pops up pretty nice. So I'm going to show you guys the installation for this before we get to the real tests, because some of you guys might be getting new batteries. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got this battery and this rail right here to install into this bike to have double the range. So let's install this thing right now. Let's get this thing off the adhesive down here. Let's get this heat shrink out of here. It just equalizes the voltages in both batteries so you don't blow it up when you charge it. Let's put this here. I couldn't show the full installation because my camera died, but let's see if it works. Let's go. So now I will wait for the next day and test out the range. Alright guys, so we have the Movcan out right now. I have the speedometer. It tracks how far it went, so this is officially going to be the start of the range test. And we also have odometer right here, but we're going to see how accurate it will be with the actual GPS. So let's see what happens. So right now, we're gonna be traveling to San Dimas. San Dimas is this many miles far away. Oh yeah, let's get to pedaling, save some gas. Oh shit. That thing's pops, okay. That old ass bumblebee. All right, let's see. Oh shit, curb test. Oh, that's not too bad actually. See if we can pop this thing up. Oh, shit, I can't. One cool thing about this bike though is that it has cruise control.
Wait, how fast does it go again?
28.
Huh?
28.
Okay.
This is fast, huh?
Super fast.
Oh yeah. Brakes are dialed.
Well, the low-key not bad.
Yeah.
What's the Hellcat?
Accelerate. Oh, pedal, pedal, pedal. The most range. Look at them. Well, bikers people. That's so unacceptable. You're gonna gap the Telaria. You're getting gapped. You're getting gapped. You're getting gapped. Ah! 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 Look at him, he's full pin on the Telaria Turbo X, the Movcan. No! No, 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 I just ran out of battery, that's it. He's on full charge, I'm on low charge. Yeah, I'm full throttle right now and I'm slowing down. Let's give the motor some help. Okay, here comes the hard part. You see all these hills right here? I don't know if this bike can make it, so this is really gonna be the test. Yeah, no! Oh. Yes! 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 There's horses in these little houses. What a nice workout. Oh my gosh, is this the peak of the hill? Yes, there's some downhill here. Let's use this as momentum. Yes, more downhill. Oh yeah, look at this. Look. 5 miles in. Gatorade. It has the electrolytes. That's what plants crave. Look, you want Twix right now. Thank you.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I can see all the hexagons.
Refreshing. Now it's time to have the most unhealthy snack. Twix. Let's do a cheese pull, but caramel. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Perfect.
Yo, Daddy! Stop! Stop! At $20, it's my lucky day.
Gotta get the gloves on. These little tactical gloves. 10 miles in. Oh shit, this is some slippery ass shit. Oh, look at this view. Amazing, huh?
Yeah, amazing. Yo, look how clear the water is.
That shit is not clear.
No, compared to last time, you couldn't see any of this.
Actually?
Any of the floor.
Bro.
It was just freaking black.
Black? You wanna try popping this, like trying to wheelie this?
That?
Yeah.
Wait, where's the brake side on?
This is rear.
That's rear?
Yeah.
Cap, good. Ooh, yeah.
Alright, let's see if the Movcan is wheelieable. Oh, look at that. Let's see. Whoa. Close. Whoa. Oh yeah, there you go. If it had full battery, it would have been able to wheelie pretty good. I got some air. Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay, after that, now we're going. Now we're chilling. Actually not bad on dirt though. Danny boy!
Are you good?
Yeah. It's my shoes. My shoe got full of fucking shit.
Oh, fuck.
Can you wash Velcro?
Yeah? Dude, it's all over my sock. I need to wash myself now. Don't like bouncing.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad.
Come on.
Go on. Oh my God.
Let's go! I should have worn boots for this. Now I gotta clean my shoes. He's ruining my cruise control. Only if he had a faster bike. What the fuck?
Look at this.
Nah, I'm not going down there without my boots.
Yeah,
Fuck that.
15 miles in.
Damn, look at this.
Stop and see it?
Let's see it. That's downtown. Alright, downhill time. We're on 6% camera battery. This is gonna be like a, I don't know, it's gonna be fun. There's gonna be a lot of curves.
Since the downhill is pretty relaxing, I'll let you guys watch some of the downhill.
Daddy boy! We're hauling some butt right now.
20 miles in.
Oh man, that was a long ride, man. But this thing actually held up pretty well in that range test. It went 20 miles And we are still on 3 bars. Look at this. Take a look at this. We are on 3 bars out of 5. That means that we are still at half capacity basically for this bike. This thing can go 40 miles max. 40 miles is actually pretty far, and it definitely still has enough torque to pop it up. Watch this, look, riding. You can still pop it up, so that's not bad. If you want to get this bike, go to the Movcan website. It'll be in the description and the comments. And don't forget to use code RazorPack120 to get $120 off. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.